my god. I'm not ready. Ew. Oh my god, like, I'm fine. Like, what am I going to do? Alright. And that's no, an hard. Oh my god. Like, ala, darating talaga yun. Oh my god. But alright, masasanay ka naman na. And then, that's it. This is not for me, actually. So, if there's, yeah, I try to, oh my god, in fairness, hirap ako ngayon tumanggap. Respeto, ano yan. And like, it could be bad. Because diba kailangan mo pakisamahan, respeto kahit against, you know, when it's against, harapan ako ngayon kasi I don't know, hindi ka lang kakatan, as in meron talaga siya. Yeah, darap na taknip. Yeah, hirap na nga ako ngayon kasi may mouth opening in it, like I can't hold it, I cannot control. Yeah, it have really. So, oh my god, yeah, nalulungkot ako. Sabi ko na nga, i-pin mo siya. And, wala, paano to? Talaga kayong alam. And, I hope what guys are done. Like, it's not affecting for one day. Like you need it. I'll try to respect. Yeah. Darungan ko wala ko at work ng toothbrush. Oh my god, naiya ako. Ngayon pa na-expose na siya. Expose yung bunganga ko ngayon. Like, yeah. I cannot hold to it. I cannot hold it. Like, really, it have to. Diba meron ka na parang mahuhuntor mo siya. Mahuhuld mo siya. Pati ito hindi talaga siya pwede, guys. Kailangan, really, yeah, may taknip na tawad ako. Yeah, merong pinagagawa niyo sa akin. Yeah, I can't really, masanay man siguro ako nito, no? Walang yung mga tao ko. And then, thinking how, I don't know, them. Alam, may dumadaan na tao. Trying to oh my god, why am I guys seeing you? Yeah, sabi niyo lang garag lang, and you know what, I'm fine. It's just alright, I'm fine. Ba't ba ako nandito? Yuck! Oh! Natatawa ako. Oh my god! Like, natawa talaga kung paano sila mangyalam. See, this is what I complain. Where they don't know. They cannot understand. And it's sad where I don't think that I'm right, but it's like they cannot trust. I don't know, they cannot be there. So, actually, I'm like, nandito pa naman ako nagbablog. Baka mamaya kasi tatanggal pa naman siguro ko. Once a day lang kasi ako ngayon tututbrush, guys. Yeah. So, hirap pa rin. Isang araw lang naman yun, dalawa. Kasi sometimes nakakalimutan ko siya din mag-toothbrush. But pag sa umaga, ginagawa ko naman siya. Yeah. So, ala, paano na to? Yeah. I knew it. Like, may mga tao talaga na, like, alam mo, I have to run, I have to walk away. Alam mo, like, pag may binibigay ka, like, like it cannot accept even it have to, right? Oh my god, talaga, as in, like, that's disrespect and bad, because there's give where I cannot accept, and people to um respect, like, like I cannot. So, like, it's running like that. It's like I want to walk away. Even, di ba, kailangan siya. Kailangan siya. Meron eh. Meron talaga. Oh my God. I don't know. Meron talaga. Ang pagkain ngayon, wala na akong problema sa pagkain, guys. Yeah, dati nasa pagkain ako. Dati yung totoong pagkain na. Yeah, yung totoong pagkain siya, guys. And, ngayon, dapat ganyan yung ngayon, oh my God. Yeah, so, kaya ko na siyang kontrolin. Yeah, I can actually face the hungry, even, nagugutom ako. Oh my God, like, yeah. Alam, this is what I need. Ew, oh my God, I really see it. I'm not prepared. I'm not ready. Yeah, when I'm dahil na naman yan, napapalinis lang yan. Yeah, oh my God. Gusto ko ngayon na I don't need to be like in the future. Kasi this is today. What means is, if it's in the future, wear mask right there. Cannot be. Diba? Cannot be. That's what I mean. May tanggap pa sa amin, guys. Malaman siya, maingay. Tinama talaga ako matatapos na yung kabila. Sila nandun pa rin. So, hindi na ako napupunta doon. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang hirap. Mga hirap. Oh my God. Mag-upload na naman ito. Puro private lang muna. I don't know when I'm gonna open it. So, yeah. Chismis, vlog. Tanggal mo. Music. Oh my God! Darang matanggal. Ewan kung matatanggal. Tutubos na ako mamaya. Kung matatanggal siya. It's really not comfortable. Yeah. Ako nahirapan ba akong tingnan itong mga tumudor. I try to open my eyes and really see it. Like, without thinking it's bad. Like, normally. Hindi ko pa siya tinitingnan. Yeah. Gusto ko siyang maging normal kasi may ibang tao bang ginagawa nila na normal lang. So gusto ko siyang harapin na hindi ako nag-iisip. Wala akong mararamdaman na hindi mabuti. Kasi, they're like doing it normally. Kahit nga ako sa Burakon, nababastos sa mga kasi sa kanilang, they're like, oh my God, naiya ako. Ayoko na. Oh my God. Wala. Nagtatrabaho na talaga ako. Need to go. I cannot be with them. Yeah. But then, yeah. So, where am I going is to work, right? Because I cannot. Mga darawag na sila dyan, guys. Mga ugmad. Yeah, really. Yeah, and then they're like demon. Yeah. Then, yeah. So, hirap. Kasi mahal sila, guys. Expensive. Yeah. Actually, hindi talaga kailangan ng pearl. You just have to, yeah. Magastos. Kailangan ko nga ng eyeglasses. Oh my God. So, oh wow. This is the understanding. Oh my God. Yeah, so if I have to stay away, like really are expensive, kung kailangan maggatas, may eyeglasses or mga ulam masarap, mga ganun. Yung mga ulam, mga like meat. Yeah, cause yeah, you know, there's in there we're asking like I need this. Yeah, mga ganyan sila guys. Tapos meron naman isa na alam mo yun, like wow, ito yung ginagawa ko. It's the understanding where wow, as in guys, nakakabusog siya kahit walang kain. As one time nagutom ako, nagtamay ako dito, hindi ko naramdaman yung gutom. Di ba, merong, ngayon, nagugutom ako dito siya. Yeah. Sana hindi na ako, ayoko na talagang matulog ng hapon. Yeah. That's gonna be to have this. So, dua, sa dangga. Yeah. Gutom na sila yan. Oh, yeah. So, oh my God. So, sinama talaga ako dito guys. It's the understanding. Yan, natakot pa ako, numiyak pa ako. Alam mo naman na, but anyway, yeah, totoo talaga yun siya guys. But, you have to, kailangan mong bitawan siya. Yeah, so, yeah. Natakot pa ako. Tama. It's not something being give or that you are there. It's something, if it's the give being there, you can accept. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. I-upload mo naman. Okay. You hear me? Marunong yata yun na. Oh my God, meron siya. Napunta ako doon, natanggal. Nung una yun, nag-ano muna yung mata ko. Parang feeling ko lang. Oh, wala naman siya. I don't know what is this. Yeah. Tiniting. Dala naman siya. Tingnan mo lang. Dala naman. Yeah, you just have to see it. And then, yeah. Yeah. Nawala talaga siya guys kasi parang kanina kasi may tanggap. Bumila ako ng kabilang mention kung sino. Meron din like, oh my God, and then yeah, and then yeah, tapos nandyan pa rin siya. Parang nawala siya. So, kailangan nito ng tao. Yeah, nagpunta ka, nagtambay ako saglit. Parang nawala siya. Oh my God. Parang nawala talaga. Oh.